Hey, Monica here again. I'm here to talk to you about our subscription service. I am so excited that we finally launched this. I think you will be too. I want to run through it with you so you completely understand it and you can get on board. So, how does it work? Step one, you join our club. You get our famous starter kit for $20. It's a $40 value. You get it for half off by signing up. What is included in our starter kit? 3 things: the application pump, a canister of fibers in corn or cotton, any color that we carry, and a fiber old spritz. This particular canister is our newly relaunched cotton. We're excited about that too, but nonetheless. Then in 30 days, or you can define how many weeks or months you need it, you get a refill kit. That means you get another canister and another fiber old spritz. It's everything you need. This is about 30-day application. And it's something off your list. You can cross this off your list. You don't have to worry about ordering or remembering or running out and feeling, oh gosh, I have to spend more for expedited shipping. None of that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, we've got you. So sign up. Over the course of a year, you'll save 30% or over $100. So we're excited. We want you to be too. Please sign up. We love you guys. Bye.